parang makakasama ba natin sila hanggang dulo?
Ay! 8 hanggang dulo.
Ayun!
Yes, definitely! Para mas epic ang first ever National Happy Beanie Day!
Alam nyo, walang Happy Beanie Day if not for our sponsors. So pasalamatan natin sila isa-isa. One Ayala Makati for our venue sa Beanieland. Ang space at One Ayala for our Beanie Hour venue now. At yung mga dance workshops kanina. Also, thank you to Nice Print Photo, Fourth Wall, Ginger Event Styling, Alan Oy Bloom's Event Styling, Party Curator Styling, City Jump and Slide, Photo Booth by DJ Koki, Roch Chua Coordinator Events by The Planner, and Hearts and Bells.
We would also like to thank the following: Jollibee,
Yes!
and Shop.
Oy!
Salamat.
Uy!
Yes.
Wow ah!
Yes,
Oy,
wow.
Oy,
Talaga. Kasi nga ito ang Jolly Beanie Day. Wow.
Oy.
Thank you, Jollibee. Maraming salamat din sa Pen Shop. The Diet Coach. The Diet Coach offers innovative beauty and food supplements resonating with young generations, embracing wellness beyond beauty. They recently launched their newest product line, Beauty Bubble. #freshness for all. #The Diet Coach. Thank you as well to Instax, Kenny Beans Cafe, Skin Can Tell, Dear Face. If you're looking for the next easy and effective collagen supplement to add to your beauty regimen, follow Dear Face on their social media accounts. That's at Dear Face PH Official on Instagram, at Dear Face PH on TikTok, and at Dear Face on Facebook.
Maraming salamat. They made this event possible.
That is true. We would also like to acknowledge the presence of our VIPs in the house.
Okay, simulan na natin.
Yes. We have our ABS-CBN Chairman, Sir Mark Lopez. We have our Chief Operating Officer for Broadcast, Ms. Cory Vidanes.
Tita Cory!
Yes, siya po ang Chief Operating Officer of ABS-CBN Studios.
Hi.
We also have the head of ABS-CBN Digital, Sir Jamie Lopez. And ito, of course, ang proud na proud sa mga #1 achievements ng Beanie, the head of Star Music, Sir Roxy Liquigan! And the AVP of Star Music, Sir Jonathan Manalo, the hitmaker himself is here.
Also, I will also have here the Mayor of Makati City, Mayor Abby Binay.
Wow! Hello po, Mayor Abby. Thank you so much.
Mandy Fabito, Nico Dizon, Marga Nicolas, and Margie Policarpio. Also, we have with us Miss Alyssa May Cortez and Miss Sienna Gabrielle C. Mitra.
Thank you for joining us po. And we are reminding everyone of the official hashtags for today. #Happy Beanie Day and #Beaniaheng June Pack.
Wow! For the mileage talaga.
Yes.
Sa social media, no?
That's right.
Okay.
Para todo trending tayo.
I also would like to acknowledge our ABS-CBN Hollywood correspondent, Miss Young Chavez is here.
Oh, wow.
Miss Young Chavez, also from Sony Music Entertainment Japan. Miss Christine Pernites,
Konnichiwa.
Miss Mayuko Otsubo, and Miss Yukako Sato.
Arigato gozaimasu for being here. Thank you
Good
so much.
evening.
Good evening. And now,
Ito na, wag na natin patagalin.
to make our evening feel so good with their mahiwagang presence, let us call on our best girls and stunning hitmakers, the nation's girl group, Beanie!
Sa
Mabuhay! What's up? It's Joanna!
Hi everyone, I'm Gwen.
Hi guys, I'm Colette.
Happy BD Day, I'm Stacy.
Hi everyone, it's Mika.
Hi Blooms, I'm Malay.
Hi Blooms, I'm Sheena. Hi everyone, I'm Aya. And we are
Okay. O, kalma. Anong nararamdaman nyo seeing everybody here tonight?
Wait lang, si Colette. Parang naiiyak na si Colette. Oh my God. Guys, umiiyak si Ate Colette. Hindi, kasi syempre, nakaka-overwhelm po talaga. Sobrang salamat po sa pagpunta. Hindi po namin in-expect to. Parang kanina sobrang kalmado lang namin sa coaster habang papunta dito. Tapos grabe. Grabe talaga. Kinikilabutan kami. Hoy, sabi natin walang iiyak. Sabi natin kanina.
Sabi ko ba sino pustahan, sino unang maiiyak ka?
Pustahan, sino unang maiiyak? Ikaw pala, Colette. Thank you for the water sa ating tatay, Direk Lauren. Pero now that, the girls, of course, are getting emotional, I think, Sir MJ, kumustahin natin sila isa-isa. Oo, ito, yung tubig pala nandito. Ito pala, guys.
Oy, girls, may tao doon, oh. May tao pa doon, ha? Ayan, ha?
Yung mga nasa
Oh, dito
likod.
na yun,
Bigyan lang
dito,
natin
dito.
ng water ang Bini, okay?
Oh, sa gitna.
Water na, guys. Water.
At yung mga nasa timbahay. Hi, timbahay.
Yes, mga timbahay, hello. And nasa labas ng mga hello din.
Okay. Let's
Grabe talaga, oo.
simulan na natin. Sheena, anong masasabi mo, Sheena, that, everyone's here. Ang daming tao. Nung first anniversary nyo, ilan ang dumalo?
30 po. 30 blooms. We had 30 blooms po nung first, nanginginig na ako. Tawag ito.
Okay. Kaya sila medyo emotional because 3 years ago, or 2 years ago, when you guys celebrated your first anniversary, 30 to 40 lang yung kasama nila. But now, look, napakadaming tao ngayon dito celebrating with them. Aya, ikaw, ano masasabi mo?
Siyempre po, sobrang grateful po kami. And grabe, di namin in-expect na on our 3rd year, ganito po karaming tao. And then, meron pa din maraming tao like in different parts of the Philippines. Tapos meron din sa ibang countries na sold out po yung mga tickets namin. Thank you guys. We're not here. Hindi kami mag-reach ng 3rd year if it's not for you guys. So, thank you po.
Mika, we want to hear from you. What do you want to say?
What?
Siyempre, mahal na mahal ko yung Blooms and we're very grateful that they all came here from different places in the Philippines just to see us. We hope na lagi kayong nandyan para sa amin sa journey na to and we hope to see you sa Beanieverse this June 28 to 30.
Thank you, Mika. Si Gwen. Gwen, what do you want to say?
Hi, Blooms! Thank you for coming into our life. Sobrang thankful kami sa inyo and sana 2 more years sa atin. Thank you.
Thank you, Gwen. Stacy!
Oh my God! Happy Beanie Day, everyone! Grabe, sobrang saya ng puso namin ngayon. Kunwari lang masaya ako ngayon, pero masaya naman talaga ako, pero mamaya iiyak din talaga ako. Happy anniversary and sana hanggang dulo talaga tayo magkakasama. We love you, Blooms!
Aloy, umiiyak ka na!
I love you, Blooms! Thank you. Wala, isa talaga to sa pinapangarap namin na makasama namin kayo bawat taon. And sana makasama namin ulit kayo sa susunod na mga taon. We love you, Blooms!
Thank you, Maloy. And lastly, Jo.
Si Colette po.
Colette and Jo. Go.
Colette.
Hi guys, hi Blooms. Thank you po for coming. Para akong siguro mga multo yung iba dito, parang hindi kasi totoo.
Multo ba kayo? Multo ba kayo?
Guys, i-check nyo yung mga katabi nyo kung may mga ganito sila kasi kung wala multo daw yun. Thank you guys. Thank you Blooms for coming. Happy Beanie Day.
I think okay na talaga si Colette. Nakakapag-joke na. And lastly, Joanna, you are the leader of Beanie. Kita mo naman, 3 years. After 3 years, ito na ang epekto ninyo. Hindi lang ito lang yung mga nakapasok. Maraming nanonood sa atin online. Maraming nag-join sa Beanieland. Maraming hindi nakapunta. Mimasor! Master Joanna, ano ang masasabi mo sa lahat ng naging achievements ng Beanie on your 3rd anniversary?
Siyempre, super proud ako sa girls, sa Beanie, kasi it all started with a dream. Pero ngayon, di ba, unti-unti, nangyayari na siya. Sa mga Blooms na bumiyahe, alam namin marami sa inyo galing sa malalayo. Maraming salamat po. Sa mga pumila, a day, 2 days before, a day before ng selling, maraming salamat po. Hindi ako iiyak today. Sorry kung yun yung inaabangan nyo. Hindi. Sorry. Maraming salamat, Blooms. Mag-e-enjoy tayo tonight para sa inyo tong event na ito.
Okay. Let's
Grabe
move
talaga.
on.
Gabi na, and yet the Beanie fever is real pa rin. We love the passion and the energy you're giving, Blooms! Now, speaking of energy, kanina sa Beanieland, may nag-flex din ng kanilang Beanie energy. Sila rin ang Blooms hanggang dulo. Full support sa ating best girls.
Okay, tatawagin natin ngayon on stage ang talented groups and individuals na talagang nagbigay ng justice sa kanilang Beanie-tastic performance sa Beanieland kanina. Okay, first tawagin natin si Amethyst PH.
Hello! Nagkilala talaga sila, ng member.
Nag-perform sila kanina. O ano, cellphone na lang.
Joanna, kindly award them with the certificate.
And then,
So, Sir MJ, meron lang pong i-award si Joanna.
okay,
Joanna, would
go
you
ahead,
like to read it?
Joanna.
Yes, Certificate of Appreciation. This certificate is presented to Amethyst PH. Thank you so much. Wow, grabe gayang-gaya yung outfits namin, ah.
Okay, guys, smile. Picture. Picture tayo with Beanie.
Can feel you holding my world. Ano ba itong nadarama? Oh, shucks, sige, way bang ibig na? Totoo ba ang pinagama? 'Cause boy, it feels so
Okay, guys, ito na ang chance nyo. Makakulab ang Beanie. Let's go.
Lubang wala ng pangamba. Pag ika'y kapiling na.
Oh!
Feel like someone now with you. Parang islang pag-tropiko. Can't wait to go back with you. Sa islang pag-tropiko. Sa islang pag-tropiko. Sa islang pag-tropiko.
Congratulations!
Congratulations, guys.
Okay,
Now we will award our next set of blooms na talaga
Alright,
namang
maraming salamat. Thank you.
nagpakita ng Beanie Energy. And by the way, before we continue,
Thank
we'd
you,
like to
girls.
request yung nagtataas ng bouquet, can you please put it down because natatakpan po yung camera. Thank you so
Ayan.
much. Ang babay
Thank
talaga
you.
ng blooms. Okay, now, let's call on our next awardee. Congratulations, Zarina!
Feeling like I can.
She did an acoustic cover of Lagi. Okay, let's have a picture.
Okay, sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, si Sharina kanina ay yung nag-perform ng acoustic ng Lagi.
Smile! Alright, smile! And as usual, we will give them a chance to collab. So pwede bang chorus kanta kayo ng Beanie ng Lagi?
We wanna hear Sharina. Sharina, go ahead.
1, 2, 3, lagi nang umaawit, umaawit mula kusina hanggang sa sala. Lagi, lagi, lagi nang napapasabi, mahal kita mula umaga, mukhang malala na, hanggang gabi bawi, at bago matulog ng mahimik, naisip kita lagi, lagi. Lagi, 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 lagi. Thank you so much. Change key,
Grabe.
guys, ha? Change key.
Ang impromptu mo.
Congrats! You may now
Live
exit.
na live,
Thank
Sharina.
you!
Maraming salamat. This time, let's call Addy! Hi, Addy!
Parang yung Beanie pa yung na-starstruck kay Adi. Sabi ni Joanna, oh my gosh, hello po! Nakikita po kasi
Okay,
namin
picture
mga
muna.
TikToks
Picture,
niya.
picture.
Pati yung mga, ang tawag doon?
Compress, guys!
Okay, sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, si Addy po ang nag-mash up nung sayaw.
Yes!
Baka
And
pwedeng mag-sample.
makikita natin ngayon yan. This is your chance to
Addy,
collab.
go!
Music, please! Let's go! Let's go, Adi! Let's go!
Hey, 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 hey! Oh!
Palakpakan naman natin si Adi and Sheena! Such a dream come true! Thank you!
Thank you, Adi!
Congratulations! At ito,
Maraming salamat.
nag-viral din to sa TikTok, mahiwagang salamin ni Zuzu! Yes! Yes!
Iwaga, salamin!
Iwagang salamin, kailangan aminin.
Ang kanyang tunay na
May maswag.
salamin na salamin!
Salamin ay salamin. Ikaw, may maswag.
O, dito ka muna sa gitna, Zuzu! Picture!
Meron ba dyang brooms? May brooms ba dito?
Asan ang mga brooms?
Okay. Zuzu, sample daw. They wanna hear your
Live
version.
na live. Acapella, live.
Acapella daw, acapella.
Acapella,
Acapella daw,
acapella.
acapella.
Sabay tayo.
1, 2, 3, go. Ayokong umasa sa paniniwalang yan. Yeah. May pag-asa nga ba?
May pag-asa.
Na baka ang puso kong
Mapabigyan. May wagang salamin. Kailan aaminin ang kanyang tunay na pagtingin.
Yeah!
May wagang salamin. Ano ang dapat gawin?
Bakit ang puso'y
Nabibigin. Salamin ang salamin. Salamin ang salamin.
Woo! Ha!
Thank you, Zuzu!
May pag-asa.
Thank you, Zuzu. Maraming salamat.
Zuzu actually came all the way from Leyte.
Wow!
Palakpakan natin si Zuzu. Thank you, Zuzu. Meron tayong isang last na aawardan. Thank you again,
Thank you, Zuzu. Maraming salamat.
Ingat.
So ito naman nating last na awardan. Isa siya sa mga OG or original blooms. Palakpakan natin. Ayan na, meron siya mga fans. Si Milet Marvida! Magparamdam ka, Milet. Nasaan ka, Milet? Andun! So, isa po siya sa mga naniwala sa Bini even before their debut. Ganon po ka-OG yan si Milet. So, habang hinihintay natin si Milet, baka may gusto kayong sabihin sa mga blooms ninyo, Bini? Lalo na yung mga inawardan
Oo,
natin,
yung mga
di ba?
inawardan natin, anong masasabi niyo sa kanila na nag-showcase ng kanilang love and talent for you girls?
Bago pa po namin sila makita ng personal today, palagi na po namin sila nakikita sa TikTok. Sobrang tuwang-tuwa po kami sa inyo kung alam nyo lang. Salamat po sa pagpapasaya sa blooms natin. Thank you!
Okay, ay, eto na. Let's move now to the next part of the show. Meron tayong game.
Game!
Meron tayong game. Ready ba kayo mag-game?
Yes! Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, ito ang tatawagin nating Salamin. This is the game where they have to copy their co-Bini member without looking at them directly. So basically, mag-freestyle ang ka-member ninyo ng Bini, tapos kailangan yung gayahin through your peripheral vision. We will divide you into 4 pairs. So kayo ang bahala. Sinong gusto nyong
Okay,
ka-pair?
find your pair. Find your pair. Find your
Sinong gusto
pair.
nyong magka-pair? Okay, we have our pairs. We have ang ating recent graduates, Maloy and Colette, Macolette. We have Sheena and Joanna.
We have Sheena and Gwen. Stacy and Joanna. Sheena and Gwen.
Josie ka ba?
And Mika and Aya. Okay, nag-gets yung mechanics, di ba? Okay. So, yung isang partner, mag-freestyle ng moves. Dapat magaya agad nung isa.
Yes. So dito talaga matatest ang kanilang girl group skills. Kasi usually, kapag talagang magka-vibe kayo, magagaya mo yun kahit hindi mo tinitingnan. Di ba girls? Kaya nyo yun? Kaya? Yes! Okay. So dahil nag-yes ka, Maloy, ikaw mauna.
Okay,
Maloy
let's
and
do
Colette.
pair number 1.
Go to the center.
Maloy and Colette.
Decide nyo muna, sino sa inyo ang mag-freestyle?
Siya po.
Ikaw ang manggagaya.
Ikaw na.
Okay. So, bawal mo siya tingnan directly, Colette, ha? Alright. Pwede ka niya makita,
Huwag naman sa
Maloy.
likod
Pwede
ko.
ka niya makita. Bawal ang directly, oo. Okay. Music, please!
May pag-asa nga ba na baka ang puso ko'y mapabigyan?
Kaya mahirap siya kasi hindi nakikita ni Colette eh.
Oo, dapat doon
Hindi
lang
na
nila
nakikita.
tinitingnan, oo. Pero pakiramdaman lang, di ba?
Correct,
O,
pakiramdaman.
panalo na kami, ah. Panalo na kami.
Thank you, Maloy and Colette.
Ipanalo nyo kami.
Stacy and Jo.
Josie, the skirt girls.
Josie ka ba? Josie, let's go! Music, please!
Can feel you holding my world. Ano ba itong nadarama? Oh, shucks, iuwi pag-ibig na. Totoo ba ang pinadama? 'Cause boy, it feels so good. Bawat araw mas sumasaya. Magmula nang nakita ka, lubang wala ng pangangamba.
Biglano to, biglano.
Tigil na.
Biglano to.
Feels like someone with you. Parang islang tropiko.
Tumitingin.
Can't wait to go back with you. Sa islang tropiko.
Teammates sila, di ba? Parang
No.
sila yung nag-away.
Pero ang maganda sa inyo, mabilis yung pick up
Rinaktis
niya.
ko.
Oo.
Tumitingin yan
Oh,
si Jo.
Mika, bakit mabilis yung pick-up niya? Kasi
Tumitingin yan, tumitingin yan.
tumitingin daw.
Hindi, may mukha kasi ako sa likod.
Lasat.
May mukha sa likod.
Let's
Okay,
go to our
let's
next
call now
pair.
Sheena and Gwen.
Seryoso si Sheena, guys! Seryoso siya.
Nakaka-pressure naman main dancer to.
Alright, music please!
Malamang inisipin pa, kung ikaw naman ang laging magkakasama. Lagi na kusina, hanggang sa sala. Lagi na
Sequence namin yan ang workout. Bro, yan yung routine namin yan.
Sige, panindigan ko yun, ha?
at bago matulog naman.
Daya!
Naisip kita, lagi
Freestyle daw ah, freestyle. Pakitaan mo naman kami ng freestyle, Sheena! Nabitin ako doon!
No.
Main dancer to eh! Gusto niyo ba na freestyle ni Sheena? Sheena, freestyle naman dyan! Freestyle! Sige na, pa-music naman po, freestyle lang, Sheena!
Mag-freestyle ka sa harap ng mga boses. Mag-freestyle ka. Bilisan mo.
Oh!
Gwen, try mo pa rin, try mo.
Oh!
Thank you, Sheena! Salamat! Thank you. Pinagbigyan tayong lahat. And last but not the least, we have...
Mika and
Mika!
Gwen!
May kaya ka ba? May kaya!
Thank you very much. Talagang pag Bini Gina G sa lahat. Palakpakan naman natin ang Bini!
Okay. Alright. Now, para medyo ma-relax lang muna tayo ng konti. Ito medyo exciting to. Meron tayong mga lucky raffle winners!
Yay! Alright. Para
So-
maiba naman, ganito, hindi nyo pa alam kung ano mangyayari, hindi nyo pa alam kung ano mapapanalunan nyo, pero tatawagin na namin kayo. Aakit na kayo agad sa stage, hindi nyo pa alam kung ano mangyayari. So tawagin na natin ang ating 8 lucky winners sa stage.
Okay. Medyo magugulat kayo kung sino yung 8 lucky winners.
Ay, sobrang swerte talaga nito.
Sobrang swerte nito. Okay.
Mas maswerte pa.
Sheena, gusto mo ikaw na sabi kung...
Okay. Let's reveal. Paano ba napili itong winners na to?
Okay, i-reveal na natin. Go ahead, Sheena. Okay, quiet. Baka kasi kayo yung winner. Okay, makinig kayo ha. Sheena, go ahead.
Yes. Okay.
Nagkaintindihan kami ni Sheena.
Medyo naglag lang. Okay, Blooms. Are you listening? Okay, good. Now, get your hands. Get your hands. Look at your bracelet. Anong tawag doon?
Wristband.
Wristband. Look at your wristband. There's something in there.
Stacy?
Okay. Narinig niyo yung sinabi ni Sheena, yung mga nasa likod? Narinig? Yung mga nasa gilid, tignan niyo ngayon yung likod ng inyong mga wristbands. Yung loob. Kasi merong mga nakasulat dyan. Kayo ang 8 lucky winners tonight!
Feeling like I can lose. I won't let you get
Okay.
Okay, so
Sorry.
guys, in short, meron silang pinirmahan secretly na mga 8 wristbands. Kung isa kayo doon, umakyat na kayo yung winner.
Okay,
Hanapin
i-check
niyo
nyo,
yung
i-check
pirma.
nyo.
Meron
Kung
na daw.
meron
Hanapin nyo,
signature.
guys.
Special numbers yan.
Ayan, meron na isa dito. Let's go.
Hey!
Number 8 yung
Where
nakasulat.
else?
Number
Doon
8.
may isa. Let's go.
Ayan, meron din. 8,
Nasa
80, 88, 808, 888,
Yes.
800, yeah.
Oh!
Basta may 8. Basta
Okay.
may 8.
Kasi nga infinite.
Just may design yun, may design.
Okay, so guys, please come up on stage. We're looking for 8 winners. Let's go. Ito na ang una. Hi!
Look, ayan, ito. Look here, Blue.
Okay. Colette, ano yung kanilang mapapanalunan, Colette?
Ang mapapanalunan po nung nakatanggap na may sign po
Sino
na
yan?
wristband ay yung sinainan po namin na Star Magic Catalog.
Oh!
Yeah. Sino pa? Isa lang ang umakyat.
So we have one here.
Ay, there.
Let's go!
Huwag na po tayo mahiya.
Hindi niyo ba yun napansin? Yung mga nanalo. Napansin niyo ba yun? Hindi niyo napansin na may... Hindi.
Excited daw.
Siguro, Sir MJ, kausapin muna natin yung kasama natin
know, what's her
ngayon.
Ako na gano'n yan.
Sophia. Si Sophia ang ating winner number 1. Winner number 2, what's your name? Rean. Ayan, 808. Wow. Ito pa, meron pa tayo dito. Ayan na yung inyong prize.
Congrats po.
Hi! What's your name?
Allison po.
Hi, Allison. Where are you from?
Makati.
Oh, ang lapit.
Makati.
Okay, congratulations. Hi, what's your name?
Shelly po.
From?
Sampalok.
Hello, congratulations. So, ilan na ito?
Congrats.
4 na sila. We are halfway through. 4 down, 4 more to go. Let's go. Hi, what's your name? From where ka?
Ann po, from Manila.
Hello, congratulations.
Ayan, congrats.
Ito na ang ating 6th
Ate, ito
winner.
yung prize mo.
Please come up here. Hi, what's your name? Introduce
Thank
yourself.
you.
Good evening po, Ace po from Bacoor, Cavite.
From Bacoor, Cavite.
Yay!
Woo!
Ate.
Congrats po. Congrats.
Dalawa pa, guys.
Huy, ingatan nyo yan. Sino pang wala? Sino pa yung wala? Ayun si Ate.
Dalawa pa po.
Alright, congratulations. Ilan pa?
Dalawa pa po.
Oh, dalawa pa.
Dalawa pa daw.
Ito na, nakaka-interact na ng Beanie ang ating mga raffle winners. Ito na. Gwen!
7! So, last one na lang.
Huy, last one. Double check nyo.
Ay, sorry.
Double check nyo.
Ang swerte naman niya, nabangga siya ni Colette, hinag pa. May isa pa ba?
Okay, ito na, last one.
Yes!
Yay! Our last winner.
Ate ko, regalo mo.
Congratulations, guys!
feeling like I
Now, please face the camera for our official photo.
Okay, one group photo.
Girls, one group photo, one group photo.
Smile!
Ready?
Hello! And my gifts din sa inyo ang Pen Shop. Thank you, Pen Shop!
Okay.
Abangan nyo dahil may Beanie-licious, juicy tropic scents kaming inihanda with them na talaga naman mapapa-feel so good tayong lahat.
Thank you, everyone. Smile!
Flex nyo naman yung Pen Shop nyo! Congratulations po!
Thank you so much!
Thank you po!
All right, thank you very much.
At ito na nga.
All
Meron
right,
na tayong
thank
susunod
you.
na gagawin with
Thank you,
Beanie.
thank you, thank
so
you.
much, Blooms.
Thank you.
Alright, so, MJ, Beanie, since nandito na nga tayong lahat, I'm sure we want to make the most out of this opportunity na makachika at makakwentuhan sila. But dahil limited lang ang time natin, we have handpicked 10 questions from the website.
Okay, so simulan na natin ang ating Q&A.
And also, Sir MJ, aside from the 10 questions from the website, meron pa tayong ibang pinili.
That's right. Meron tayong mga questions from the media and from the press who are here tonight. Okay, simulan na natin ang ating Q&A. Let's have the list of the questions. The first question is, I believe, from abs-cbnnews.com. Josiah, what's your question?
Hi girls, first of all, congratulations on your third anniversary. First question lang, can you just describe how different is it now compared to the past years that you celebrated your anniversary? Si Stacy. Go.
Hello po, Sir Josiah. So, grabe, talagang every year talagang lumelevel up po yung pag-celebrate namin ng aming anniversary. Parang nung first year po, parang 30 blooms lamang po yung na-accommodate po. And nung second year naman po ng Beanie Fest na parang may mga taong dinadaanan lang, ganun. Pero ngayon, grabe, 100 blooms na talaga. Kaya super thankful po kami sa lahat na nagmamahal sa amin at sa mga magmamahal pa. Thank you so much po.
Thank you, Stacy. Next naman na question is for Maloy. Ano yung naging significant role ng Blooms para ma-reach niyo yung milestones na na-reach nyo ngayon?
Siyempre, isa yung Blooms sa mga reasons kung bakit nasaan kami ngayon. So we are really grateful na kasama namin sila ngayon sa pag-grow and syempre sa pag-celebrate ng aming third year anniversary. And we cannot wait na makasama pa kayo sa maraming taon pa. And Bloom, simula pa lang ito. Excited na ba kayo? Woo! Ako din.
Thank you so much, guys.
Love you
Congratulations.
Okay, thank you, Josiah. Our next question is from Metro.style, si Kate Paras. Her question is for Aya. What would you say is Beanie's strength when put side by side against international girl groups?
To be honest po, kami Beanie Girls, we always, like as much as possible, we try to stay in our lane. And for us kasi parang we are our own competitor. We are our biggest competitor.
Right.
So, kami naman girls, we are open and we value the friendship towards other groups. But yes, even before, we always just focus on improving ourselves and our craft. And thank you din kasi we are guided with our management for that. And thank you din talaga sa inyo, Blooms, because you guys help us din to become better. Because we hear you, we see you, and we also apply na yung mga suggestions nyo.
I love
Thank
it.
you so much.
Ganda na sagot ni Aya. Next question is for Gwen. Gwen, can you cite daw a specific fan story na na-touch kayo ng husto?
Yung napapanood po namin na yung mga may sakit po tapos pinapatugtog pa rin yung songs namin. And yung mga, for those people who's struggling with their mental health, na sabi nila, na-inspire daw sila ng music namin. And we're very happy po na natutulungan and na-uplift kayo ng songs namin. And at the same time, thank you for sharing your stories kasi kayo mismo, marami kayong na-inspire na ibang tao.
Thank you, Gwen. Maraming salamat. The next question is from Nika Sabio of Push.com for Colette. Ang question, Colette, is, what is... Oh, you're here. Oh, you want to ask it? Oh, go ahead, Nika.
Hello po. Hi, hello. Happy anniversary, Beanie. My question is for Colette. This is your 3rd anniversary, so what's the greatest lesson that you have learned in your career so far ngayong 3rd anniversary niyo?
Ha? Kinakabahan ako. Malay ba kayo? Actually, this minsan, paulit-ulit po, pero talagang buhay ay di karera po. May mga times na dati, nawawalan kami ng confidence, nade-discourage kami, nade-dishearten kami, pero your time will come po talaga. And if it's for you, it will happen po.
Ganda. Nika, your second question.
Second question ko naman po is for Stacy. Stacy, hi. Napakadaming schedule ng Beanie. Full pa kayo this June and then the whole year. Nakakatulog pa ba kayo, guys? How do you manage your busy schedule?
Goshi, you answer.
Yes po, we see our busy schedules as blessings, syempre. Especially this year, I think this is our busiest year, pero we take it one day at a time. And kapag may rest days, we take the time to really rest. Yun po. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Nika. Maraming salamat.
I just heard now we are down to our last 2 questions.
Last 2 questions.
Miss Tess, who would you like to pick? Yes?
All right, andito
Let's
si
call
Hannah
on our-
Mallorca of Inquirer.net.
Let's call on our next friend. Hi!
Hannah.
Hi, Hannah!
Hi girls, congratulations. So this question po is for Sheena. So what has changed po within yourselves and the group from debut until the present po?
I feel like yung pinaka nag-change is mas nakikilala na kami pag lumalabas. Kasi compared to noon, siguro mas nakikilala kami pero as a group. Pero ngayon, like kahit individually kaming gumala, talagang thank you Lord sa blessings, pero hindi na po kami makagala. So, wag na lang. Yes, yun po. Yun po yung pinaka nag-change na napansin po namin. Pero if sa amin lang, like personality-wise, wala po. We're still the same, humble, beautiful, wonderful. Yes, amazing, majestic girls.
Yes.
Thank you, Hannah. Maraming
Thank you po.
salamat.
Majestic nga po kayo. Maraming salamat.
Let's call in Alan Policarpio of Inquirer. Alan, this is our last question for this segment. Go ahead, Alan.
Hi, good evening, girls. Yesterday, you made history debuting in Spotify's daily global artist chart. So, ano yung naging reaction nyo and gaano ka-importante itong achievement na to for you? Anyone can answer.
Well, actually, we were at voice class during this announcement. And nung nakita namin, akala namin na, ay, Philippine charts lang ba yun? Tapos nung nakita namin that it was international, like all over the world chart. Parang, hindi namin na in-expect that we would be reaching that point this year since we have been going through a lot. Since we went through a lot, and to see this change and this improvement in the statistics and the charts, it just shows na sobrang grabe na yung growth ng Blooms namin, grabe na rin yung pag-support, and we are so grateful that this has happened, and we will continue to be going for more, like beating the standards we put out there. Thank you.
Thank you, Mika. Thank you, Alan. You have another last question.
Ito, last
Okay, go
question
ahead.
na lang. Sabi niyo nga kanina, what is sleep, di ba? Pero may time na ba kayo to sort of really soak in yung mga success at yung mga blessings na
Nagsisink
nangyayari
in na ba?
the past couple of months?
Actually, sa totoo lang po, hindi pa rin po. Kahit paulit-ulit na namin sinasabi, parang every gantong event na ganito kadaming tao, parang bago pa rin po siya sa amin. So maraming salamat po. And hindi to mangyayari kundi dahil sa inyo, dahil wala namang nagsasucceed na mag-isa lang, di ba? Lahat to dahil sa inyo, Blooms. Thank you po sa management. Nandito po yung mga bosses natin. Naglaan po ng oras para sa amin. Maraming salamat po. And sa mga team bahay, team online, maraming salamat. Magparami pa tayo!
Thank you, Alan. Maraming salamat to all our friends of the press na nakapagtanong. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you. At habang na nandito lang tayo sa iisang lugar where we are living the Beanie moment. Baka may gusto ko kayong i-announce
Okay.
personally to our Blooms na todo abang sa napakaraming ganaps ninyo. May announcement daw kayo, Beanie.
Meron po, pero hindi namin mabasa. Ibaba nyo muna.
Wait. I'll help Jo. Okay, makinig kayo. These are exclusive announcements.
Yes. Okay na po. Ayan. Yes, tomorrow, June 12, magbubukas na po para sa mga exclusive members ng Beanie website ang ticket selling for our regional concert! Saan? Sa Baguio, Camp John Hay. Sa loob po yun ng Camp John Hay. Yes po, Camp John Hay Trade and Cultural Center this July 6, 2024. Next, sino dito ang mga Cebuano? Cebu Waterfront Hotel and Casino on July 14, 2024. And syempre, sa Luzon, Visayas ba? O Mindanao kaya? Pupunta po kami ng General Santos City KCC Jensen Open Grounds on July 20, 2024. So see you po, Luz Viminda!
Yes! Tama.
Pangalan ng kaklase ko yun eh.
Tama.
Again, thank you so much po for choosing po to be an exclusive member.
Yes, 3 tickets per venue is allowed to be purchased per exclusive member. And 1 day ahead po, makaka-purchase ng regional concert tickets ang exclusive members. At sa June 13, mag-open ang ticket selling for the general public. 2 tickets per person lang ang pwedeng mabili compared sa exclusive members.
Yes. O para clear, 2 tickets para sa mga exclusive members.
3.
3 tickets
Wow.
para... Sorry, ang perfect.
Yes. And sa June 12 din, magbubukas para sa exclusive members ang ticket selling for our Beanieverse Canada concerts. Wow, may manonood. Oh my God. Check Beanie socials and beanie.global for details, okay? Okay?
Yes, guys! But wait, because there's more. Grabe to kasi sa June 23, for the first time, guys, makakasama niyo po kami sa Beanie Fun Run! Yes, guys! Na magaganap sa assembly area at sa Quirino Grandstand. The ticket rules will be followed po. And I don't know if you guys know, pero kasi one random night, ako po ay gumawa ng Beanie Route. Ewan ko if na-try nyo or alam nyo po yun. And dahil doon, may nakita po kami biglang naging active, biglang naging fitness enthusiast, mga runners bigla. Tapos dumami yung mga, may mga Bloom Run Club din. So, we're like, yes. Tapos si Direk biglang nagtawag, Aya, can you send me the Beanie Route you made? Tapos boom! June 23, guys, Beanie Fun Run. I hope to see you guys there para sa concert namin, batak at healthy tayong lahat, okay?
Yes.
Ayun.
And pakita naman natin sa TV, sa live stream, ito po yung mga gagamitin for Beanie Run.
That's the singlet. The singlet, the bag.
Yung pala yung tawag doon, halatang hindi nag-run. Singlet, yes. And meron pang bag.
Joanna, try mo naman. I-try mo.
Ay, nasukat mo.
Hindi, pa-surprise na natin yan sa Fun Run.
Alright, ano pa ang inyong announcements?
Yes, and sa June 14, 12 noon, magbubukas po sa Ticketnet ang pre-selling ng Beanie Run tickets para sa exclusive members at discounted rate of 999 pesos only, and each member can avail of 3 race tickets.
Race kits.
Race kits.
And for Beanie Run, each exclusive member can purchase 3 tickets compared to only 1 ticket for the general public. And on June 15 will be the Fun Run ticket selling for the general public, 1,200 pesos and 1 race kit each.
Yes, and ilan lang po yan sa perks of being an exclusive member. Kaya naman, makakasama pa dyan ng exclusive content,
live streams parang kanina nung on the way kami here and access sa merch, mga suot namin, and many more. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe.
Yes, and reminder din po, for both regional concert tickets and Beanie Run tickets, just go to ticketnet.com.ph and use your membership ID to purchase your tickets.
Yes, and wag po kayong mag-alala. Hintayin niyo lang po ang announcement sa official social media accounts ng Beanie at Star Magic at sa aming official website, beanie.global. Yes, and abangan niyo rin po kami sa North America at Canada! Woo!
Grabe naman, ini-spoil nyo naman yung mga blooms. Sa dami ng mga ganap ninyo, ha? Grabe, I'm so, overwhelmed sa dami ng activities ng Beanie with their blooms.
Sobrang fitting kasi grabe yung pagmamahal nyo, Blooms. So grabe rin yung paghihirap, yung hard work na ginagawa ng Beanie para mapasaya kayo. At ito na, para walang malito, mark your calendars. Always check Beanie and Star Magic's official social media accounts, okay? Thank you raw, sabi ng mga Blooms. So, sa lahat ng mga activities, sobrang excited ang lahat. Now, 3rd anniversary pa lang ito, ha? What more sa mga susunod? Ando ba kayo sa mga susunod na anniversary?
Pero, parang kulang yung anniversary celebration natin.
Oo nga, parang kulang.
Parang may kailangan tayong gawin eh.
May kulang, oo nga.
May kulang.
Kaya nga eh.
Ano ba, ilabas na natin?
Ilalabas na ba natin?
Ilabas na natin. Ito na, syempre. Hindi ba kukumpleto ang ating anniversary kung walang...
Bago yan, ito. Isigaw muna natin, Happy 3rd Anniversary, Beanie. Okay, sa harap nila. Sabay-sabay tayo. 1, 2, 3, go!
Thank you,
Happy 3rd Anniversary, Beanie!
Okay. Ang layo na ng narating ng Beanie, pero malayo pa ang babiyahin natin. I think we're just, scratching the surface. Marami pang magaganap, and let's ask for a message from the girls. Jo, alam kong kanina pa tayo nagsasalita, kanina pa tayo nagpapasalamat, but what's your special message to all your fans?
Gusto po namin paulit-ulit, pero maraming salamat po sa lahat po na nagpunta ngayon. Hindi nyo alam kung gaano nyo po kami napasaya. Itong mga nakaraang araw, hindi siya madali for us kasi medyo, ano ba yun? Hindi madali yung nagiging preparation namin for our concert kasabay ng mga guestings and shows namin. Pero grabe, parang nawala yung pagod namin tonight. Maraming salamat po. Hindi lang namin in-expect na mangyayari to, itong anong meron tayo ngayon sa loob lang ng 3 taon. So, maraming salamat po. Mas naiiyak ako kasi nakikita ko yung mga boses natin sa araw. Kung alam nyo lang yung pinaglaban nila for us, guys, nung dumaan yung shutdown and pandemic, sino ba naman kami para i-stay ng management, diba? Pero pinili nilang maniwala and magtiwala sa amin. So maraming salamat po. To Ives, si Ben, maraming salamat po. Sana mas dumami pa tayo. And panatilihin natin tong healthy environment natin, guys. Let's avoid negativity. Let's avoid comparison. Let's keep this empowered world for all. Yun po.
Jo, maraming salamat, Jo. Aya?
Bebe na lang po.
Okay, si Sheena na lang daw. Kaya mo yan, Sheena.
Yes, Bloom, sasabi na niya Ate Jo. Pero just know na dahil you guys have our back, nalilito na ako. Kasi you guys have our back. So, you have a back. Pero you get the point, right? That's the point. Pero, yes, thank you so much, Blooms. Kahit na ganito yung bonding natin, just know na genuine yung love and care namin for all of you. And kahit sobrang dami na natin, I hope na mas palaguin pa natin tong pamilyang to. And let's just all be happy. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, that's all, Blooms. We love you so much. And more ganaps like this soon. Thank you so much, our Blooms.
Yes, syempre, hindi naman namin nahayaan tong matapos na hindi nyo naririnig ang mga boses namin. Pero bago yan, syempre, magpa-message mo na ibang girls.
So, tapos na si Joanna, si Sheena, message ng... Okay. Sige. So, dito na tayo sa isang surprise.
Okay, eto na. Maririnig nyo na. Etong song na to, hindi pa namin to na-perform.
No way! Hindi pa?
Hindi pa po.
Live!
First time nitong maririnig. Pero nasa Tala-Arawan album to. Ay, Tala-Arawan EP to. Etong song na to, sinulat din siya ng kapwa nyo Blooms. So, etong song na to, song namin to para sa inyo. And song nyo rin, and yung lyrics nito, ito din yung message niya for us. Ang promise namin, hindi kami iiyak sa kantang to. Pero yon, sana mangyari yon. May idea na ba kayo kung ano? Ha? Ay?
Mali
Hindi,
ka
mali ka doon.
Nang iiyak ka.
Okay, let's
Ako
go.
pala una.
First time nyo itong maririnig.
Sa mga paglaro, may mga bagay talagang hindi sigurado. Palagi na lang tumiro, kakaisip kung paano pa to. Hindi na alam kung anong gagawin mo. Ilang beses nang nasaktan at nasugatan, patuloy ka pa bang lalaban? Hanggang kailan mo kaya susubukan? Ang dami mong alinlangan, maaari bang pakawalan? Malalampasan rin naman. Huwag nang mangamba, hindi ka nag-iisa. Huwag ka nang mag-alala, dadamayan kita. Sa oras ng kalungkutan, hindi kita bibitawan. Sa akin ka magpahinga. Huwag kang susuko.
thank you for performing that. Napaka-espesyal naman nun.
First time pa,
First
para sa
time.
Blooms, yes. Pero
First
kung
time.
napansin ko, ang dami na natin ginawa. Kumanta sila, nag-iyakan, may game, may performance, pero blooming pa rin. Ano ba ang secret dyan, di ba? Alam ko parang may secret dyan na sasabihin sa atin ang isang Beanie member. Kasi di ba, blooming pa rin sila. No?
I know!
Yes. Aya, ano ba ang secret dyan?
What's the secret?
Mahiwagang salamin, how to get bright, glowing skin like Beanie? Use Pond's Glow Duo for bright, glowing skin and 2 easy steps. Step 1, cleanse with foam. Step 2, moisturize with cream. Oh, it's so easy with Pond's, right?
Yes! Kaya visit the Pond's Glow Up booth for a chance to get freebies, samples, and try out all new Pond's.
Yes, and bukod sa aming glowing skin, happy Jolly Beanie Day talaga! Dahil sa Jollibee, bida ang saya. Alam mo yun. Alam mo yun.
Alam mo yun. And just like that, tapos na po ang ating Beanie Hour program. Ang bilis. Time flies now when we're having fun, MJ.
I know, wag mo lang tayong umuwi.
Wag mo na.
Walang uuwi.
Grabe. Ayoko kayong umuwi. Ayoko sana to wake up in this dream. Kaso kailangan na rin mag-rest ng ating best girls. At syempre, pati na rin tayo.
Thank you for spending with us for the very first National Happy Beanie Day. Maraming salamat, Blooms.
Thank you very much. Hanggang dulo at hanggang sa muli.
Thank you once again to our suppliers and sponsors, Juan Ayala Makati, Space at Juan Ayala Makati, Nice Print Photo, Fourth Wall, Ginger Event Styling, Alan Oy Blooms Event Styling, Party Curator Styling, City Jump and Slide, Photo Booth by DJ Koki, Raj Chua, Coordinator Events by The Planner, and Hearts and Bells.
And of course, huge thanks also to The Diet Coach. Hashtag freshness for all. Hashtag The Diet Coach. The Diet Coach recently launched their newest product line, Beauty Bubble, the first juicy jelly supplement gummies in the Philippines. Kenny Beans Cafe. Thank you, Kenny Beans. Dahil sa inyo, gising na gising kami ni Sir MJ. Maraming salamat, Dear Face. Follow Dear Face on their social media accounts. That's at Dear Face PH Official on Instagram, at Dear Face PH on TikTok, and at Dear Face on Facebook.
Okay, may request lang tayo. One photo daw. Nakakasama yung ating crowd. So our photographer will go here.
Can feel you holding my world.
Hey!
Nadarama, oh shucks, ito ba'y pag-ibig na? Totoo ba ang pinagama? 'Cause boy, it feels so good. Bawat aroma sumasaya, magmula nang nakita ka. Nawawala ng pangangamba, pag ika'y kapiling na. Feels like someone I'm with you, parang islang pag-tropiko. Can't wait to go back with you. Sa islang pag-tropiko. Sa islang pag-tropiko. Sa islang pag-tropiko. May pag-asa nga ba na baka ang puso ko'y mapapigyan? Mahiwagang sa lamig ng banyang pag-ibig.
Thank you very much. Over on that side. Yes, guys, naka-capture din kayo. Don't worry.
Bakit ang puso'y napilitin?
Please do not forget to use our official hashtag for today. Hashtag Happy Beanie Day.
Ng pag-ibig. Salamin, kailan niyo ba ako papansinin?
Okay. Last.
Ang iyong misteryoso, di ko rin mabasa ang iyong tunay na motibo.
ready? Let's do this. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Here. Okay, we're done. Thank you. Clear.
Maraming salamat po sa
Thank you,
lahat
everybody.
ng mga pumunta sa first
Clear.
ever National Happy Beanie Day! And to our live streamers,
Thank you.
thank you for virtually being with us. See you